Browne Jacobson, a full-service law firm in the UK and Ireland, working across business and society. Data is becoming more and more important for our clients and for us. AI, and specifically generative AI, is becoming a topic that our clients talk about more and more. They're seeing it making a change to their organisation. They want to use it to drive productivity. And it's important for us not just to be able to give advice to our clients on generative AI, but also to be able to understand how it would make a difference for us and ultimately a difference for them. Ultimately, we wanted to have a secure in-house tool that we could use that had security baked in, because that's obviously really important for our business. To make sure that we could socialise that technology with our lawyers so that when they were talking to clients, they understood exactly what the difference it could make. As part of the conversations that we had with the different suppliers, there were lots of different ideas. When we met with SEC, it was really apparent that they were really honest about what they could do and what was new to them as well as us. But they did demonstrate how they'd already been using generative AI in their organisation and how they were using that as a tool to help them with some of their bids process, which is something that would be interesting to us in the future. Very quickly we understood, what is it that needs to be done, and there was a really good conversation about how practically we'd be able to take that forwards to deliver our solution and the goals that we had. There's a lot of confidence in the business about how to use the tool, and it's really meant that we were able to kind of deliver value directly to the lawyers and then ultimately to clients. And it's really helping people to understand what Gen AI is good at, what it might not be so good at, but what's coming in the future and how we might see that growing in the organisation as we can deliver more value, as we can start to integrate our own data so we can tell an even better story. When it comes to data and AI, I think there's a really good opportunity for Browne Jacobson and for clients. We're talking to clients about some of their fears as well as some of their aspirations with generative AI and data. Specifically Browne Jacobson in a really good place to help to shape the future of technology in this area. And I've been talking to some of our lawyers who are talking to clients in both private and public sector, and we're giving advice to our clients about how they can use these technologies. And so I feel like it's a really good place to be, really positive place to be, and I think we can make use of the tool, because it is a tool, to get really positive outcomes, not just for Browne Jacobson, but for our clients and for wider society.